Hi everybody, welcome to MNR Academy. This is Reddy sir. So now, as I said in morning in my YouTube community tab, today I'm going to reveal some secret of CBSE sample question paper 2021 term 1 board examination, like which is upcoming examinations in coming month. Now let us enter into this. What is that secret? So now first of all, if you want to know the secret, first you have to note down some questions which I am going to show you in the CBSE sample question paper science, which has been released in the last month. So now later I will going to show you what is the secret of the CBSE sample question paper. Now if you'll observe here, this is what the question paper of released by CBSE sample question paper term 1 2021-2022. Now here you can see, as you people all already know that what is the sections, how many questions attempted. That is all. I'm not going to say you that. So now carefully observe. So the first of all, like these questions, for example, this is also one of the question you have to remember. I will show you like these questions. Just you remember mainly question number 3. Also you can remember. Next after that, just a second, it is some problem, it is, I think. Yeah. So now this question number 3 you have to remember. Next, if it comes to here, some way, this is not exactly this question number 5. This is the question number which you have to remember mainly. Question number 5. The same way, hope you can understand. Like this is also you can remember. Question number 6 also. Next question number 8 also you can remember. This is all regarding chemistry. I have a little knowledge in chemistry and physics. That is why I will discuss only chemistry and physics. So biology I don't want to discuss. So now this is chemistry session over. After coming to the chemistry, now you can mark exactly physics questions is going to start from 18. So mark question number 18. It is a very important question. So kindly please all of you remember that. Next, if it comes to here, same way, like this question 22, and same way you can remember 23. That question numbers all you have to remember. And 24 is okay. Next, this is again chemistry starting. This question 25 you have to remember. Like that, so many you can see this. This is also this model question you can remember. Like this, all the questions. Mainly this is acid base. This question you can remember. Like that, you can comes to here physics, again physics 44 question number, and mainly this question. I want to show you this question mainly 45 question. Okay, so now what are the questions I am saying? I hope you all remember, and mainly this question also in chemistry again. This is high ductility, malleability. This is also you can remember. This is also very important question. So now, like this, all the questions. Sir, why are you saying, sir, all these questions important, and this question particularly 56th question also. So nothing actually. So what CBSE is saying here, these are the questions which is latest pattern of CBSE competency based questions. So I will explain you even in the next video what is this competency based questions. What is the difference between that normal way of asking question and this? What do you mean by why they are stressing as a competency based question? How simply, what is the exact difference and all I will say in the next video. Now these are the things you have to, I hope you all remember that. Now let us into what is that secret I want to show you now. So let us see, this is what the CBSE paper, all the sections, almost all the questions if you observe, all the questions are very easy and very silly questions. I should not say silly it is, but it's okay. This everybody can 90% can able to solve. Now this is, they are saying like a high level questions, complicated questions, but I have been noticed that they are taken from certain kind of sources. So why I am doing this video means to not to blame the CBSE, to make you provide lot of questions where the students can practice their individual by their own to get practice and train for the upcoming board examination. That is the only reason. Because we are having a very less source for the MCQs and all. This year only they have been implemented this system. So that is the only reason why I am doing this video. So those who are first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and support me with your share and like, and try to give a bell icon to receive all the latest updates. So now these are the some certain questions which I told you to mark. Now let us into the first question. So first question, just you go to chemistry. So the chemistry question, if you'll observe very carefully, this is the first question what I said. So question number 5. Okay, question number 3 also you can, but question number 5 I want to show you. So this question number 5, I want to show you on PDF now. So this is the PDF which I want to show you. If you'll observe very carefully here, University of Cambridge International Examination. It is not conducted recently also. So this is the examination conducted by Cambridge curriculum. That is in 2012. So now, sir, why are you showing this? Now you can see that. So here, the question number, here the question number 5 is exactly will be appears to you. In this PDF, all the questions are like that only. But first I want to show you that question. So that is why I'm showing you. So now, this is the question. So you want, you can compare the things. So exactly the question which has been asked by the Cambridge curriculum in 2012, the same question now the CBSE is taking for into the 2021 sample question paper. So this is the question number 18. You can check it. So there is no, I don't think so you people can understand exactly it has been given. That is same thing. Which letters represents the area of the graph where both acid and salts are present. Same thing. Which letter donates, even graph is also same. It has been taken from here only. So nothing. That is. So this is the first question which I want to show you. Like the same, all the questions I will show you that also. First I want to finish the major questions which I have been found. Later the similar questions and all I will show you that. Now let us come to, this is my one of the favorite question in the sample question paper. Such a easy question, but if you are not understanding the concept, you cannot. Okay. So now let us come to this question. This actually I already discussed with my class 10th, present class 10th children. That is why it is. So now here if you'll observe. So second, where is this question? That's just. So this is also you can see the heading actually. It is IGCSE. It's a Cambridge curriculum physics light chapter. It is also an exam which has been conducted very long back by Cambridge curriculum schools. So now I'm searching for the question. You just focus here. Second means you can see this question. So which diagram shows an image of an object is formed on a screen by converging lens? This is the question number 8 in the Cambridge curriculum examination, which has long back it has been conducted. Now here question number 18. So there question number 8. Here it is question number 8 and question number 18. So if you are suspecting, you can check it. A, B, C, D options. And here it is a little bit wider. So if you want, I can reduce the size and you can compare it. So the same 4 options. Have you noticed it? So that is. So this is also question which has been taken from Cambridge curriculum exactly. So that like lot of, not only this question, almost all the questions I have been found in this Cambridge curriculum, because I have my teaching, I have a good experience in ICSE schools, so that I easily can found this. Next, 23 question. So this is a semi-sphere question. It's a very good question actually. This I have been found again here same. You can notice it, this one also. So if you'll observe, it's the same thing actually. So the same question here, they are asking, instead of this one, they are asking angle actually. But here the same picture, the same question they have been asked in certain little bit slight changes. So the same picture which has been taken. And one more place also I have been found the similar question. Almost 90% it is matching. So this is the question number 7 also. So here question number 23 and here it is the question number 7. So if you'll read the question, hopefully you people will understand exactly it is same almost. So next, this is our question number 23. 24 is okay. Now you can see 25th question. Again, 25th question. Here's when the reaction is changing actually. So nothing much changes. So everything is same. So now if you kindly focus on this box particularly. I want to show you this box actually. This is also the question which has been taken from here only. Exactly it has been taken. Not even nothing changes. Only reaction alone they have been changed. So now here question number 25 if you'll observe. Here, the question number 12. So you can check it. If I am saying wrong, you can correlate also, you can compare. So I don't think so here. Even box is also, I am feeling exactly even similar kind of tick marks. That is, so you can notice it here. They have given some other reaction between zinc oxide and hydrochloric acid. Here between carbon dioxide and the limestone and the carbon dioxide is almost both are similar reactions only. So we can find it easily. That is also, that is one of the thing. Like that, you can see this good conductors, bad conductors, electricity, and these questions and all. Because I don't want to waste your time much. And this question, element, acid, bases, and like this, all the questions. This question, if you notice it, like all the questions, I will show you. Particularly this question, I want to show you. 45th question. Just wait a second, and I will show you that, which has been exactly taken from there also, but it is not there in that PDF. But I have been found. I don't want to show that source to you all. Maybe it is some problem maybe occurs, like uh, something that is the reason I am not saying that location, but I have been taken the screenshot of this picture. So you can notice it here in this picture, medium 1, medium 2, medium 3, medium 4. Actually it is same picture, their only background they have been changed. Similarly, as I said, spherical half, semisphere, this is also the picture exactly they have been taken the question. And this is on one more question which has been taken in CBSE. That is also I will show you. This question is related to just now what I have been shared, shown you in the CBSE question paper. Now again, you can go back to the CBSE paper, and I will show you that also. So now, just a minute. Yes. So hopefully you people can feel this medium 1, medium 2, medium 3. Actually, it is the same question. They have been given actually. And even that source where I have been found that even more clearly they have been given. Here, so okay, they have been changed the options into general theoretical manner, but they have been given there, including the values also. So next way, same way, this is also main question, melting point, malleability, ductility, electrical conductivity. This is also very good question, which is also taken from there only. And this is the question which I have been shown you. This is the question images to that position we have to find related to that. That is a new way of asking question style. It has been already followed by Cambridge from the long back. From 2012 itself, they have been following. There are a lot of questions like this, all whatever remaining questions I have been tick. Actually, this recent assertion is not there in Cambridge curriculum. So it has been introduced in CBSE only. So remaining like this all metals, conductivity, solids and all. Now I will show you. You can check it. So in this PDF, if it comes to here, this is regarding physics. I will show you. Physics. This is the question similar to that. Same way question, which has been I have told you. Like lot of questions. This is also one of the competency based question. Like everything regarding mirrors. This is one of the competency based question. And this question I want to show you. This question is exactly CBSE and down. If it comes to there, as I have shown you already, the same question is a picture. They have been modified a little. So nothing they have been done. Not much changes in that. So now here you can check it. This is the question, 56th question. Exactly. This is also the 50. Same question, same options, everything same. You can check it. Same question, same options. That's all. Even options also not changed. You can check it A, B, C, D. You guys, you can check it if you want. Here also see. That is. So exactly options also not even changed. Like that. You can check it. A lot of questions I am going to show you here. All are similar to the CBSE sample paper. So hopefully if you are having a lot of sources of Cambridge curriculums, which is related to the CBSE syllabus. So kindly all of you follow. This is one of the sample question. This is also similar question we have in CBSE board. And you can see that Cambridge, even I used to surprise this. Cambridge is having always, most of the questions they will form in the form of tabular column. So the same pattern now, sample paper, most of the questions CBSE is following. So this is the Cambridge curriculum, which I have already discussed with my children, my present class. The same things is CBSE is following now. So hopefully, if you are not finding any resources, for example, like this also one of the most important competency based question. So if you are not finding any sources, please kindly regularly visit my channel. So I am going to make short videos on this competency based questions for upcoming CBSE board examinations. Even I am finding the sources for mathematics and as well as other subjects too. So but the science, Yes, as a science teacher, I want to find so that I am finding. So now this is the PDF you have been conducted. I will show you all the remaining questions, same similar types, only values and equations has been changed. So this is a diffusion question regarding ninth class. It is not regarding 10th. Some questions. This is chemistry. Chemistry asking this question is also having possibility, as we already know that in this is chemistry, even metals and non-metals, formation of X and Y, ninth and 10th, everybody it is used to come. And next, you can observe here. This is a similar question like where molten state, volatile, highly volatile, less volatile, and all. This is the question. Same way, balancing equations here. This is class 9th used to will come. Next, this one, uses of solid. This is also class 9th, it will be there. Now, class 10th, you can observe here. This is a similar. See, you can observe most of the CBSE questions, they are constructing the ABCD in the form of similar, like a tabular column. Here also, they are constructing the tabular column. So you can see here anode, cathode, whether gases, all are almost 99% the questions are matching. If you want, you can verify this one. You can see here, conduct electricity, low density, high density. This question even I have been shown you here already. High density, low density question. You can see here, malleability, ductile, electrical conductivity, melting point, high density, low density, like that. Most of the things you can notice it here can be catalyst, forms a compound. The same way here, less reactive, more reactive. This is for class 10th acid basis salts. Definitely this kind of question will appear in our CBSE coming board examination. This is all the things you can notice it, everything. This is actually extraction of metals. It is deleted for the present academic year. Like you can see, most of the questions, they have been constructed in the form of tabular column. Alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. This is only the CBSE is following for the competency based, in the name of competency based questions. They are going to sit in the same format. All the questions, if you'll observe, this is a Cambridge curriculum paper. So all the questions, they have been set in the similar manner. So hopefully now you have been understand what is the secret of CBSE sample question paper. Similar way, a lot of questions have been found from the different sources. Even one website, if those who are interested in all complete science, if you want previous question papers of this ICSE, sorry, this Cambridge curriculum and all, you can go to the Google and you can browse this smart education hub, where you used to find all the previous fast papers and questions, and a lot of informations are there actually. So me also used to use this source now to make a new questions and teach my students to understand this competency level questions for the upcoming board examination. You can use these resources. A lot of things are there inside. So hopefully this video is helpful for the present 10th students, those who are preparing for CBSE upcoming board examination. Thank you. If you want to prepare more questions regarding this competency based questions, usually I am making regularly lot of videos regarding this. So kindly regularly visit my channel, subscribe my channel, share my channel. Thank you. All the best for your exams.